So winter might be done making snow, but with Frostbite, we're still making plenty of it. The reason why I like Frostbite is it saves me time. It's slightly alkaline, so it cuts through grime and film a little bit quicker. We use it on our fleet vehicles where I go through, foam the vehicle, let it dwell for a couple minutes, and I rinse it off. And it gets me 95% clean for a vehicle that's going straight back out on the road to get dirty again. So as you can see, we just foamed it on, let it dwell, and rinsed it off, and got a pretty darn clean car for not a lot of effort.